Good morning, students. Welcome to Mathematics Class 7,
Maki,
Chapter 5, Exponents.
Maki,
Exponents. we know that two into two can be written as 2 raised to the power 3. That is, if we write 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000 can be written as 10 to the power 3. So this is here 10 is the base, and 3 is the exponent or index, we say, or power. So what we read here, suppose if we write 2 to the power 3,
हो गया
2 cube is read as 2 raised to the 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 3, or or 2 to the power 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3. The same thing. We can either say 2 raised to the power 3 or 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3. So the expression 2 cube or 10 cube, etc., are said as exponential notation. Exponential notation. 2 raised to power 3 or 10 raised to power 3 or any number, or 5 raised to power 4, whatever. These are said as exponential notation.
चालू कर दिया
देखो, rules of exponents.
पीडीएफ तो कौन सा
That is, first we are say that laws. We also say laws of exponents. First, a raised to power m into a raised to power n will be a raised to power m plus n. That is, when same base are multiplied, then the exponents will be added. When the same base are multiplied, their exponents are added. In the same way, when the same base are divided, their exponents are subtracted. A raised to the power m divide a raised to power m is equals to a raised to power m minus n. This is the other law. Next, it can also be a raised to power m upon a raised to power n will be also equals to a raised to power m minus n, because same base are divided, so exponents will be subtracted. Again, a raised to power m whole raised to power n will be equals to, means exponents means power to the power is multiplied, a raised to power m into n, that is a raised to power mn. In the same way, if it is a raised to power minus m will become 1 upon a raised to power m. This means negative power can be made positive by taking reciprocal. converted into positive by taking reciprocal. Some more laws over here. Suppose a raised to power m into b raised to power m, different bases are multiplied with same exponents. Their exponents are taken common. A into b raised to power m. In the same way, if a raised to power m divided with a raised to power b raised to power m will be equals to a divide b raised to the power m. Some more rules. Look at here. A raised to the power m upon b raised to the power m will be a upon b raised to the power m taken common. In the same way, if we have exponents like this, in the same way, the same base but exponents are equal. Our exponents are different. Same base are equal. When bases are equal, then exponents will be also be equal. That is, this if this is so, this implies m is equals to n. That is, when bases are same, then base are same, exponents are equal. Next page. When bases are different but exponents are same, like this. Bases are different but exponents are same, and when same base, different bases are equal and exponents are same, then base will be equal. When exponents are same, bases are equal. This implies m is equals to, a is equals to b. So these are some of the laws. Some more laws are like this. Suppose a upon b whole raised to power m can be written as a raised to power m upon a raised to power b raised to power m. And suppose a raised to power a upon b raised to power n and whole raised to power m can be written as a raised to power m upon a raised to power mn. One more, 1 upon a raised to power minus m can be written as a raised to power m. Or if it is 1 upon a raised to power m, you can write it as a raised to power minus m. These are some of the laws which we use in the exponents. Exercise 5.1. First question. Write the base and exponents of the following. First part. 2 raised to 4. Here base is 2, exponent is 4. In the same way, I think the rest of the parts you can write. Let's do one more part of this question. Third part. 3 into 3 raised to the power 5. What we can do? We can write 3 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power 5. And this will be, 3 raised to the power 2 into 5. Because just now I told you a rule in which a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n becomes a raised to the power m into n. So power raised to the power is multiplied and it gives you 3 raised to the power 10. So in this, base is 3, exponent is 10. Alternate, we can also 3 into 3 raised to power 5. Base is 3 into 3. Exponent is 5. But this is the better one. Next page.
कर दी.
Next question, we are to write in exponential form. The first part is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 5 times. 5 is 5 times. So then in the exponential form we can write 5 raised to the power 5. This is the exponential form. Some more questions. Let it be fifth part. Minus 17 into minus 17 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 8 into 8. If you are asked to write in exponential form, you can write minus 17 raised to the power 2, 7 raised to the power 3 and 8 raised to the power 2. This is the exponential form. You can keep like this, or you can further change it into exponential form like minus 17 raised to the power 2 into 7 raised to the power 3 into 8 is 2 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power 2. That means minus 17 raised to the power 2 into 7 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power 6. You can keep the answer here also, or you can write the answer here also. If you want to leave it up to here, it's okay. But you want to make it more simpler, it is more better. Next. This is express each of the following as product of powers of the prime factors. First, 405. Powers of the prime factors. So first we write prime factors. Prime factors of 405. For this, we find the prime factors on this side. It is divisible by 5. So 5 8 is 40, 5 1 is 5. Now it is divisible with 3. So we divide with 3. 3 2s are 7s are. 3 9s are. 3 3s are. And 3 1s are. So 1 2 3 4 times 3. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 1 times. So 1 2 3 4. 3 raised to the power 4 into 5 raised to the power 1. So this is your answer. Now one more question. Let's see. It is third part. 3600. Take the factor. Write prime factors of 3600 equals to 5 7s are 35, 5 to the 10, 0, 5 1s are 5 for the 20, 5 for the 20. Now it is divisible with 2. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 12. 2 1s are 2 7s are 14. So by dividing with 2 7 times and 2 times, 2 3 are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2 7s are 14. So prime factors are 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 17. So it is 5 square in the exponential form, 2 raised to the power 3 into 17. So what we got? It is asked that express each of the following as a product of powers and their prime factors. So these are the prime factors and these are the powers. So this is your answer. Some questions from question 4 part. Look at here. First part. It is said to evaluate. Evaluate minus 3 raised to the power 2 into minus 2 raised to the power 2. Evaluate. We know when the exponents are same but base are different, we can since a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m is equals to a into b whole raised to the power 2. This implies minus 3 raised to power 2 into minus 2 raised to power 2 is equals to minus 3 into minus 2 whole raised to power 2. That is minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6 raised to power 2. And this is 6 6 are 36 is your answer. We will write in this way. Get to write the laws or the rules where it is applicable. Next page. So today it is end of the video. The next video I will send you for the next class. So up to here we are going to end. So you know that a raised to power m into b raised to power m is equals to a into b whole raised to power m will give you minus 3 raised square into minus 2 square equals to minus 3 into minus 2 whole raised to power 2 is equals to minus into minus plus 3 2 is a 6 square, that is 36. So this is the end.